For Thursday's workout, we're doing some high intensity short intervals. We're going to be doing our work every 3 minutes for 8 rounds. We have a jumping movement followed by a shoulder to overhead, back into our jumping movement again. So if we have a skipping rope, it's going to be 25 double unders or 50 single skips. If we have a plate or a small surface you can jump up and down onto, it's going to be 25 plate hops or 25 of those short jumps. You then go into your shoulder to overhead movement. So as you can see there, if you have a barbell and that's in your program, it's going to be 10 shoulder to overhead. So push jerks or push press with that barbell. Top weights 50 and 35. So 10 shoulder to overhead if you have a barbell. If you have a dumbbell or kettlebell, it's going to be 7 reps on each arm. So 14 total. Because those implements are going to be a little bit lighter than your barbell, we want to get the same stimulus by doing maybe a few more reps, but we still want to keep it to that short time frame. So 7 on each arm if you have a dumbbell or a kettlebell. If you don't have any equipment, let's get maybe 2 water bottles or something we can go from shoulder to overhead with. And again, if we're using 2, so 1 on each arm, then it'll be 10 reps for that. So 10 odd object shoulder to overhead. We go from the jumping movement to the shoulder overhead, and then we go back to the jumping movement again. So for example, if you're doing double unders and push press, 25 double unders, 10 push press, 25 double unders. Then you stop. So we're looking for this to take maybe a minute and 2 minutes, maybe about 90 seconds, and then we can rest for the rest of that 3 minutes. If we find that first round takes 2 minutes or over, let's reduce down our reps. So maybe if the double unders are taking you a while because we might be tripping on them, reduce the reps down to 15 or 10. Same for the single skips. Reduce our reps down after that first round if it's taking us over 2 minutes. So we go fast as we can, rest for the remainder of the 3 minutes, and we're going every 3 minutes for 8 rounds.